Lost a few limbs. Gonna have to break out the chainsaw. Make a nice lean-to. Throw some other branches across the top. You got yourself a shelter. Seems like some areas of the land have at least about 10 inches of snow on it. But once again, I did measure 9.5 inches this morning out front. Beautiful morning. This is the most snow we've seen here yet since we've been living here. And we moved here in 2013 in Tennessee and bought this home in 2015. In 2016, we got about 6 inches of snow or so. It'll probably be gone here in a couple days. But it's beautiful while we have it.